Good morning. Oh god. Oh, I am so tired. Excuse my morning voice. Hold on, I gotta turn the AC off. Still trying to wake up. So usually when I first wake up in the morning, depends the weekend, so I usually have the privilege of laying in the bed a little bit longer. Chris and I, when we sleep, we are usually buried in like 6,000 blankets. Like you can see now, there's just so many of them, and we have a heating blanket. He got cold last night, so I put a heating blanket on him, and then I have my weighted blanket, and that's because we like to sleep with the AC on, and then we both have 2 fans for each other. So he has one and then I have one. So we're freezing, but we like it. That's how, sorry, I gotta take my eye mask off. That's how we usually like to sleep, is freezing cold. So he is at work today, so it will just be me. But I have some stuff I need to do. I need to clean up a little bit in here. I usually like to have a clean space before I start really doing any type of work. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But first, I need some coffee. I am pooped. If they're not listening to their parents. I just spent a little bit too long of my time on the couch, but that's fine, whatever, it's good. So I finished eating. Now what I need to do is clean up my mess in the kitchen, and then we're gonna go make the bed. Then I'm gonna wash my face. I usually like to wash my face after I do everything, because like if I wash my face now and then I start like cleaning and stuff, I feel icky. So I feel like if I clean and then I wash my face, I feel really good. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Ooh, I saw this thing on YouTube that I want to try. It's probably gonna be a horrendous fail, but I'm gonna try it. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on a wave. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause can I tell you a secret? Might have to slide in close for you to hear it. Over that bartender yelling out them drinks. Will the cover band off key sings, yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, and I'm gonna be using my Proactive Cleanse #1. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with this. Use my Clarisonic brush. I usually like to do it on daily cleanse, so you'll see as I'm washing my face, it beeps every time. It means that it wants me to move to a different section of my face. So I start with this cheek, forehead. Forehead and nose are gonna be the same, and then my chin, and then it will beep once it's done. So let's go ahead and get started.
Music on, nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah. Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me.
I have to cut the strings 'cause this is hurting me. I don't know if I can cross that line where we become just friends. I don't want this to end.
I don't want this to end. If I stay, promise to never go
Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up now for my morning routine. I need to start editing some videos, but thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like these kind of videos, just let me know in the comments down below and go ahead and like it so I know that I should make something similar to these kind of videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It shows so much love and appreciation for my channel. And until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.